loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA.
Man, I can't believe Mom wants me to drive across all the way to Arizona and all the way across New Mexico just to get to California. Bro, this is getting insane, bro. I took everything, I'm taking everything with me. I got my gas. Now all I need is just to take a few of this stuff, I think. So, yeah, I think I just need to take a little bit of that. So, yeah, is this a sponge? Oh, it's gold, okay. Okay, I got a light. I'm definitely gonna need this. I'm gonna need that. Alright. I got nearly a full tank of gas, so I'm gonna take this air freshener with me, just for the vibes. This is my brand new car. Just got it like a year ago. Not even a year ago. Alright, I think I got everything. Yeah, I think I got everything. So, yeah. Alright. Oh, I gotta... Is he serious? I gotta open these. Alright. Alright. Here we go. We're going. Oh. I didn't realize how far my garage was from the road until now. Bro, why did I build my garage so far away from the road? Oh well. Anyway, yeah, let's go on the trip to my mom's house for a late Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out today. I'm just gonna turn the lights on so I can see the dashboard, so I know what speed I'm going at, because I can't really see right now, because, I don't have my glasses. I wonder how Bob's vacation's doing. I wonder how Bob's vacation's going. Hopefully really good. Yeah, I can't believe people are just putting rocks in the middle of the road like that. That's so dangerous. Who would do that? Like legit, who would do that? Oh, is that a building? If that's a building, I don't need anything else. I have everything right in my car. We should be good all the way to California. Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna make it, you know? I think we're gonna make it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna listen to some music. Alright. Oh, well, I gotta pull over for this. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, that. Oh. I wonder how Bob's vacation's going. Ah. I'm probably gonna find a building. Probably. Oh. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Okay. That was a close call. Alright, yeah, just put that back in position. Alright. Yeah, I should be good. What? Silence, my favorite radio channel. Did I bring my gun with me? I don't think I did. That's okay, I don't think I need it. Gotta save up on gas. Did you see the gas prices these days? They're awful. Oh, there's a pew pew. A pew pew with 17 bullets. It's always fun when there's pew pews in games. That's always fun. Okay, I feel like this is gonna make up for my shotgun. I'm just gonna put that right there so it doesn't fly out at 1,000,000 miles an hour. I'm gonna waste my bullet. My battery, I meant. My bullet, my battery. I hope I don't waste my... What's up here? Bro, I'm getting kinda creeped out. Why is there a coffin? Oh wait, is this an actually usable bike? Oh, snap, brother. What's in here? Oh, nothing in here. Nothing in here. Oh, what was that? Okay, yo. Okay, I better not be here whenever it goes dark. Oh, I don't think I can attach it to there. Oh well. At least I got an AK-47 at most. That was... I think I might just pull over and take a nap early. Actually, I can't take a nap. Cause then that'll you know, that'll waste time. That'll waste time on the road trip, and I won't be able to get to look at the bright light poles. I love my car. I bought it like a month ago. I love it. Okay, I don't want to hit a pole going 100 miles an hour. Actually, I don't want to hit a pole at all. As long as I never hit a pole, that'll be alright with me. As long as I don't hit a pole or a rock, that'll be amazing with me. I don't feel like having to go back to a dealership and getting this thing fixed. Jeez. La di da di da, la di da di da, la da da. What was that? Oh, never mind. What's behind me? I swear, if I see something behind me, there's something behind me. I can literally see it in the rearview mirror. There's something behind me. Oh god, what was that? I'm gonna pull over and take a nap because there's something behind me. I know there is. Turn off my car. I gotta go. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna turn off my car and I'm gonna go to sleep. Alright, good morning. Alright. So, here we go. La, on the road again. I can't wait to get on that road again. Oil can in the back seat. Typical northern thing to do. Jeez. Why do people just throw rocks in the middle of the road like that? That's the last time I'm gonna ask. How would they do that? I hope I do not. Maybe I should slow down just in case I do try. In case I do hit a rock or a pole. I better. I better slow down, bro. Why do those cacti look like people? That's so unsettling. Like the cat, it looks like just little people like standing in the middle of the road. Bro, why is there so many? Bro, are the rocks growing through the ground? Like, can rocks grow? Oh my god, there's another one. What the? Bro, why is there? Nope, that was a little pebble. That was a little pebble. I swear if I lost anything. My car. Everything still in here? Where are my binos? My binos are right there. There's my oil. Here's my shotgun. And here's my ammo. Okay, nothing's gone. Wait. Okay, that's where the engine is. My AK-47 is in there, thank God. Whew. Let's go. I heard the rabbits out here are mutated as heck. Like, a gone wrong science experiment, like a gone wrong science experiment caused the rabbits to have, like, it sounds like a Minecraft ghast. Anyway, oh, is that a building? Yes, that is a building. I think it is. Yes, it is. Alright. I'm a brave boy. Nothing could scare me. Alright. Is that what I think it is? Is that... Okay, Oh! It's a little giraffe! Oh! Does that go to this? Does this go to this? I will take that as a no. Wait. Oh. 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 No, it can't. Okay. Oh! Is this an engine? Yes, it is. Okay. It is an engine. Okay. That's a good start. Kinda. So there's a radiator. Okay. I think I have all the tools to make the Plymouth Fury. However, I don't want to leave this car behind because it's my my brand new car. But then again, I really want a Plymouth Fury. So okay, now we have two things hanging there now. Yay! Alright. Do I dare to open this coffin? Yes, I do. Yeah, it seems like I have the ability to make this Plymouth Fury. Bob would scream as soon as he's seen this. Oh! How polite! This is a hand. Okay, how polite. Yay, thank you. Does that hint that there's a zombie here? Oh boy, I hope there is not. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave. I don't think there's even anything interesting in here. Okay, so there's a seat. Gas. Okay. Oil. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Oil! I found oil! I don't like those sounds. Can you please shut up? I'm going. I'm going. No, no, no. Screw that. Screw that. Screw that. Screw that. Screw that, I'm going. There's nothing even interesting in there anyway. I'm gonna roll down my window a little bit. This is a terrible thing to do while driving. Okay, it's a terrible thing to throw a rock out the window while driving too. Let me just turn this up. You know what? There's not even anything interesting in this radio. Get out of here. I can still hear the radio. Can I actually find it? There's no way I can. That went like a mile and a half. There's no way I can find that radio again. Yeah, there's absolutely no way. Is this it? Oh, yeah! I found it! I found the radio! Now I can put it back in my car. Yay! I found the radio! Yes, let's go! Where did my... Oh, there it is. There it is. That dust behind me looks like there's something behind me, but there isn't. No, what's the point in these side mirrors if there's rear view mirrors? Oh, what was that? Oh my gosh! Don't. Oh, that was scary. La di da di da. On the road again. On the road again. Okay, ooh. I haven't checked on the oil in a long time, actually. You've got to beware of rocks in this area. That or the rabbits are just planting rock seeds in the ground and they're growing in the middle of the road. My giraffe! Oh god, oh my god. Oh! Why am I going slow? I'm not going so slow. Okay, there we go. I'm picking up speed. I have 2 air fresheners now. Let's go! Okay, so beware of rocks. I learned the hard way that there is rocks in this area. God. Oh my gosh, how far does Mom live away? Bro. Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! My engine's gonna fall out. It's just that all my items have fallen to the roof because of my erratic behavior. Oh god. Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.